The next session we're gonna use hand-tied weft on this gorgeous model who have very European Scandinavian hair. It's very fine. That would also mean that my choice would always be to could use the seamless weft on her, but I would like to have a little bit of color blend more than the seamless weft offer in the methods that we do. She has so fine hair, so less is better here. I prepped some weft. I used T6 BO22 and I used that on the outer side. Then sandwiched in is a BO22 and then a T6 BO22 again. And then here I have done the opposite. And the way that I'm gonna attach them, I'm gonna show you guys a method that actually we have developed and we think is fantastic because it's very fast, it's efficient. There's no more contact points, appointment points than needed. There's more prep work with it. It actually takes probably about 40 minutes to finish your hair up. So that's what we're gonna do today. The hand-tied wefts that I'm using is actually from the Luxe collection. The best quality hair that I feel that is available to us professionals. The reason why we started thinking about coming up with a new method was because we needed it. When you are in need of something for a client, that's usually how you come up with good ideas. And I think it's a tremendous idea. We'll be able to cover the links. She won't be able to see that. We have enough of contact points that it's not gonna break her hair. So all in all, it's an incredible, fantastic, great method. As much hair up and then I will wet it. So again, not just putting extensions in her and doing it as fast as possible. And again, parting the hair, going straight up. So just combing it. The method in itself is really prep work for most part, and it's sewn together with an invisible thread. How this is done is actually finding specific points where we go in and out, and we, with the thread, tighten it, and then we go to the next point of where we want to put the links in. So the links are not attached to the weft and can be tightened, so we don't have to take it all out in order to reuse it again. So one time we will tighten, that's every 5 to 7 weeks, and then the following time that will be up to 8 weeks that you can go with it. Then we have to take them out because you've been shedding too much. And then we clean up the hair and we reapply the extensions again. So we have the weft here. Like I said before, the BO22 is underneath, and we have an ombre color on each side. I like to drop in a little bit of blonde in the middle, but also because that will blend really well with her hair. So once we're done with attaching, we're gonna pull the hair over it and the links will not be visual. And everything is about how we have parted the hair and where we attach it. So I gotta respect my own partings because it doesn't matter that I put so much effort into where I parted it. So I wanna make sure that it's aligned with the parting of the hair. So what we have done now is to put all the links in, and there is enough support for her very, very fine hair. I would say that, in my opinion, this would be the method that I always would choose for her. Strand by strand, absolutely not. Tape-ins could be, but they have to be applied pretty often. So this might be a more comfortable method for her. Yeah, so there is enough support here. We have actually 3 wefts together. Could we have done 4? We could try, but I am comfortable with the 3 wefts. So once we pull the 3rd weft down, this is how it's gonna look. So you can't see any of the links now. So then we can go further up. That's really how it's gonna look all the way around, so see? And once she comes in and the hair has started growing out, we can go in and lift this first weft up, and then we can actually undo the links, but not only unravel the first one since I double looped them. So we just push the micro link further up and then we close it again, and that will be a tightening. So you don't even have to take it out. And even though she has fine hair, there's still an option. This is like, yay, method. Okay, so we can go to the next row. So we are ready to install the 2nd row, just to show you how the mix of colors actually makes it blend really, really natural, and that's why I did this last one. The BO22 on the outer side, so there are actually 3 wefts in total. So the T6 BO22 on the inside, that's an ombre, and then the BO22 on the outside. So we did the reversed at first on the 1st row, and this is the 2nd row. So in total, she gets 6 wefts in, which is absolutely fine as long as the method has the amount of attachment points, because then it will support her hair. Go in and see the colors of, how it blends with our very pretty model here. It actually can't really see where her hair ends and the extensions start. So, and that's what we wanted. This is even before we have cut it in. So that's pretty good. And that is actually what we got out of it. We got a little bit more like ombre look, but not too much, so it still blends in with her blonder hair.